Hi, my name's Lucas Dillingham. I'm the sales manager here at BTG Labs. We're a cutting-edge material science-based services and technology company. One of the main problems that we've really tried to tackle is trying to make sure that we're able to fly the planes that we need to fly when we need to fly them, where we need to fly them. And repair and maintenance, kind of the service and maintainability of these aircraft is a really big issue. And one of the key things around this is really bonding, painting, and coating operations. We were working on a 5th generation fighter that bonds fasteners to various removable panels on the structure. And they'd been fighting the reliability and predictability of these bonded repairs for a long time. So what we did with Air Force Research Labs is we came up with what we were calling a bonded fastener repair kit. And this was a repair kit that had a couple different cases in it. One case had preparation tools to allow an Air Force technician or maintainer to prepare the surface really well, and then validation tools in the form of the surface analyst, which allowed these maintainers and basically Air Force technicians to validate that the preparation had been done correctly. Typically don't know what's going on with the surface, right? If I've sanded something, how well have I really sanded it? Am I creating the correct surface chemistry to play with my adhesive chemistry that then gives me predictability and reliability? In this case, what we've done is we've shipped off some prototype kits to a particular Air Force base. And unfortunately, the preparation tools had not shipped with the abrasive materials in them. So the Air Force technicians, rightly so, started using what was available to them. I mean, this is exactly what they're supposed to do. And what they were doing is they were preparing the surface where they would be, solvent wiping and then abrading. And then they were measuring with our handheld measurement technology to try to understand, am I cleaning the surface appropriately? They were getting extremely high numbers, high contact angles after abrasion. So this was very contradictory for these people, right? I mean, here we had all these approved, vetted engineering processes and materials, and here we had a new piece of technology that was telling them that they were wrong, that it wasn't good, that it wasn't up to par. Well, this is a little bit difficult to accept. And we set about to doing a test, comparing essentially our abrasive material that we've found to be pretty good and their abrasive material. And as an example, on metallic surfaces, after solvent wiping and abrading with our material, we could consistently get to about 30 to 35 degrees, right? There's a very low contact angle. This signifies a high energy surface, something that we would say is ready for the subsequent step, in this case, bonding. When solvent wiping and abrading with their approved abrasive materials, they were getting 80 degrees very consistently, 78, 80, 82, very, very consistently. So it took going down there in person, armed with our expertise, our experience, the appropriate materials that we had already defined as being good for preparing things like aluminum, titanium. The number doesn't lie, right? When we have the contact angle that the system returns is the contact angle. What we do with that data is where the engineering comes in, right? How we react to that information. So going down there and actually showing it in person really illuminated the light bulbs. I mean, it just showed unequivocally that with the appropriate materials paired with the right validation tool, we can get a material set and a process set that gives us a perfect surface every single time. And that whole experience actually caused the technical documentation to be rewritten at the OEM, caused the technical documentation and approved materials list to change at the Air Force Base, and everything is basically has now switched over. So these types of examples are what we really call Eureka Moments. Right? These are moments where people are presented with something different, something that they don't expect, and we're able to, through the combination of services and technology and expertise and experience, come in and really light them up, really allow them to take advantage of really this great knowledge, right, that we've built here. So that's what we strive for every day. I would encourage you, if you have any questions, you want to learn more, you have an active surface-related issue, whether that's adhesion, coating, sealing, cleaning, painting, to give us a call, visit us on the website, btglabs.com, and speak with one of our surface science experts.